Hello, students. In this lecture, we will talk a little bit about creation of a button node, so button object, and we will have options to add some interactivity for this button. We have function already and a label code for a label created previous. Now we will add some button variable equal button dot new means adding a new button node. This button will be some kind of global variable, and for this game object we will add some properties like text. For example, we will add some text, something like this, and we can add some other known properties like position, like we use it in label. And for a position in a game space, we need the vector. In a 2D space, we use vector 2 with two parameter for a 2D position in a 2D game space. And don't forget, we always need to use add child to add this object to our root node. So with this, we have created some kind of game button. And also, I think we need to add some other line to explain some kind of connectivity. So for this button, we will use some kind of action, button down action. There are other options than a button down action. So we will use a button down, and then we will use connect with some kind of function. So when you write your object, for example, button, you can write some action, for example, button down or button pressed. We will use this kind of button down. You need you need to see this symbol of a signal. So we are creating some kind of signal. So button down, and then we can connect this signal with the function. We will connect it with this button down function. See here, and when this connection is done, this connection will work only when the button is down, and we will have some kind of property change. So label text property will be changed, as you see before. So this is initial text of a label, and when we press a button, this text is changed. Thank you for watching this short tutorial, short lecture about button and button interaction. We will use this later in creating some kind of simple games. So have a good day, my friend. Goodbye.